Hello friends, in this video we will see this type of flower. For this flower I have used double knit yarn 8 ply and 3.5 mm hook. Make a slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slip stitch in the first stitch. Now chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Make 1 double crochet in the ring space. And now chain 2. 1, 2. Make 2 double crochets in the ring space. This is 1 double crochet and this is the second. And now again chain 2. 1, 2. Again 2 double crochets in the loop. 1 and 2. Repeat. So here again 2 chains. Make 2 chains and then slip stitch into the top stitch. Now you see that you have 5 spaces here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is this part. Now we have to make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Make 5 double crochets into the space. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slip stitch into the next stitch. Make another slip stitch into the next stitch. Now double crochet 5 times into the space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slip stitch into the next stitch and another slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat till you have 5 petals. make a slip stitch and pull a yarn. And I'm cutting the yarn here and placing a knot. Now take the needle and weave in the end. So this type of flower is ready. The size of the flower depends upon the type of the yarn and the size of the hook. Thank you.